Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to add YouTube chapters to your videos. So guys, YouTube chapters, or even having a bit of a guide onto your channel, is what would actually help viewers in certain kind of ways. uh, Using YouTube chapters would help your viewers to jump to what they want to watch exactly, and also boost their watch time simultaneously. And I'm going to be showing you a walk down or a walkthrough of how you can actually add YouTube chapters. So we have a video currently on YouTube. As you can see, I'm on youtube.com/watch. And here we go. We have a video with dotted lines. As you can see, the lines are broken. Now, if you hover above them, you can see a bit of titles like this. It has a title here. We have what we call YouTube chapters. You can see from zero, that's the introduction, zero till about a certain period where it's set to how to start coding. And then if you move over to the other side, we have why learning coding, how to start coding, learning the basics, creating a basic application, which language and tools to use. Then we also have how to choose a project, and also learning path, and then finally what kind of jobs can you get, I believe. So these are all chapters, and if you want to access them in a more defined way, you can click on the chapter bar here, and a list of all the chapters I just read out is going to showcase on your screen. You can basically see it here. And if you move over to the other side, you have the transcript if you want to, kind of like understand what he's saying by reading the letters. So for each second that passes, you can basically see what is said here, though it is auto-generated, but it's reliable. So I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how to get yourself a simple YouTube chapter setup. So your first step would be to click on your profile. Remember, you have to log into YouTube, and you also have to be logged into the account you have access to, the account you own, the account you manage. Now, simply click on your profile at the top right. If you have not logged into YouTube, go ahead and sign in. In my case, it's sign out, seeing as I'm currently signed into my YouTube account. So the next step is from the sign in option. Once you've signed into your YouTube account, go ahead and click on YouTube Studios. So the YouTube Studios application is going to open up, the website, sorry. It's going to open up. Once it does, now once you open this up, head over to the content menu. Once you're there, just simply find a video you'd like to add chapters to. All you need to do is go ahead and click on details. Once you have clicked on the details, all you need to do now is in the description box, simply scroll and find a place to enter your timestamps. All right, so now all we need to do to add timestamps, let's go ahead and create some space for the timestamps. And now all you need to do is begin with a digit. So every video begins, as you can see, every video begins with 0:00, and then it ends at 2:22. So that's the duration of this video. Now all you need to do here in order to add your timestamps is the intro. So the intro can be 0 and then colon. Make sure you enable the colon on your keyboard and then enter 00, and then simply move over to the other place and simply type in introduction. Once you have typed this in, just simply hit the enter key and move a step down. And then the next step would be quite simple. You can now simply add some other context or some other timestamps. To do this, simply enter where the introduction ends and the next chapter begins. So if the next chapter begins at the 1 minute mark, simply click on 1, and then same process, colon, and then let's say 23. And then you can now call it step 1. Click on enter again, and then same process. You can begin at wherever it begins. So the next chapter can begin at, let's say, 2, and then let's call it 22. Where it starts, where it ends. Then you can now call it step 2. Now, please take note of these numbers. And once you've done this, go ahead and click on save. Once you have clicked on save, it's gonna be saved. And now all you need to do to check if your settings have been imputed, click on the YouTube link by the video. And now you can see here we have the introduction, which ends at 122. And then we have step 1, which moves over to the end. We made a mistake, if you checked in the video details, by making step 2 the end of the video. What you would rather do here is it should begin at 1 and then simply make this 142 and then click on save and then go ahead and repeat the process, and you would realize that there are chapters now. There are chapters. Now, if this option doesn't work for some strange reason, all you need to do is head over to the video, head over to details, and then where we have show more, click on show more at the bottom here, scroll a bit, and there should be an option to automatic chapters. So chapter and key moments make your videos easier to watch. So you can now allow automatic chapters and key moments. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.